Hi everyone. Is your Android phone slow and lagging? Let's fix it quickly. Step 1. Restart your phone. First, restart your phone. This clears temporary bugs and improves speed instantly. Step 2. Clear storage. Go to Settings. Storage. Delete unused app, videos, and files. Low storage is a major reason for lag. Step 3. Clear app cache. Go to Settings. Apps. Storage and cache. Tap Clear Cache for heavy apps like WhatsApp or Instagram. Step 4. Reduce background apps. Close unused apps and limit background activity from settings. And that's it. Your phone should feel faster and smoother now. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more quick Android tips.